cooking, if you got a piece of mozzarella in the background, it's always good to eat a little piece of fresh mozzarella while you're at it. We got the eggs, Italian parsley, a little Romano sauce, and breadcrumbs, salt and pepper.
Hot air blowing in my face all day.
That's it.
Icy cold at night.
Mix it up. You take the chicken cutlets, let you go in the breadcrumb, and then you go in the egg, and you go back to the breadcrumb. I got these at the Chico's in Pelham, and I told the gentleman there, I want the thinnest cutlets known to man, and he did it. And I just can't wait to eat them. Some Coke. Okay, we're cooking up. Okay, here we go. I'm not going to stay on too long with this because when I start shooting these videos, you guys make me screw up my cooking. Okay. These are the best. The secret to the chicken cutlets is to get the thinnest cutlets. And this guy really hooked me up. I really got hooked up tonight. Hey Zoe and Laura. We'll come back in a little while. Thanks for tuning in. These are excerpts from Madeline's Italian home cooked recipes. The book is coming out soon. Waiting for the copyright. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to add, when this is all done, to add some lemon. Lemon on the chicken cutlets. People have actually told me that they never put lemon on it at the end, which I just can't understand. The chicken cutlet without lemon is not a chicken cutlet.